Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable price drop notifications in Amazon listings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable price drop notifications in Amazon listings, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Amazon website by entering www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Amazon account using your email and password. After logging in, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on Accounts and Lists to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Scroll down to find the Communication and Contents section. Click on the Email Preferences link within that section. In the Email Preferences, look for any options related to price drop notifications. Uncheck or disable any settings that mention price drop alerts or notifications. Once you have made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. Your changes should now take effect, and you will no longer receive price drop notifications from Amazon listings. If you use the mobile app, open the Amazon app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to access the main menu. Scroll down and select your account. Look for Notifications and tap on it. Find the option for price drop notifications and toggle it off. This will successfully disable price drop notifications within the app as well. Now you are all set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.